Once we will question paper discussion is over, then we will start squares and square roots. Very simple method I will teach for you children. Please keep remember how to find squares. Very interesting and easy. We'll go with one activity method in that so that you can remember. Before going to start our previous chapter, we will discuss the paper. In that first question yesterday I gave the first bit minus 3. Just a minute, children. This is the first bit. What I will. The question is having express the following numbers as powers of rational numbers. You can express as rational numbers 64, 125, minus 64. The children are giving what they are giving answer
Ma'am,
means here.
minus 4 by 5 whole cube.
Minus 4 power 3 by 5 power 3.
Yeah. Minus 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are how much children? 4 into 4 multiplied with
Ma'am, 64.
64.
64.
yeah, minus is there.
Ma'am, 4 cube upon 5 cube.
Yes, we can this if you write also I am giving correct answer. Minus 4 by 5 whole cube. Shall I write like that?
Ma'am, it can be 2 to the power 6 upon minus 5 to minus 5 cube also, no?
Sahu,
Yes, ma'am.
please. 2 power 6, yes, you can write as 2 power 6 by minus 5.
Upon minus 5 cube.
Yes, we can write. Both are correct. Both
Ma'am, 2 power 6, that one is not correct.
What, ma? Denominator negative
No.
sign. He
Ma'am,
pushed
it's
that
correct.
sign.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, ma'am.
sign. He pushed it to denominator part because here positive
Ma'am,
or else children.
Ma'am, because the power is
ma'am, but you
even, that's
said
why it
that
will become positive
Yeah,
only.
always this can be written as 2 power 6 by 5 cube also children.
Sir, ma'am, that will be incorrect.
Yes, standard form. We are writing standard form, right? Very good, Jashmita. Good. Next one. This is the first one. The same way we are taking the other one. Be bit 343 by 32. 343 can be written as how children? Is
7
it
power 3.
7 cube? Shall we write as
7 cube, ma'am,
7
by
cube?
2 power 5.
2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. This can be written as, shall I take as 7 by 2 whole cube into 1 by 2 square? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, children? Or else, shall I write as 7 cube by 2 power 5? Anything, both will be.
7 cube.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
wrote 7 cube by 2 power 5 only.
Yes, anything,
Right,
both will
ma'am.
correct. Yes. Second one you check children. Second one is a very simple one. This is also but only the thing while you're writing the questions while you're doing your apply that loss of exponent you're supposed to which law you're using you have to write children. Minus 7 by 8 is whole to the power. Children mute yourself or else I'll mute all so that I can at a time I can ask one by one. You're supposed to unmute and speak. Or you can mute all. Yeah. Why I'm giving privacy means my students can follow the instructions when they should not interrupt me. When they have really they need means suppose they can open their mouth. That's why I won't always mute all children. Please try to understand and you see if you have any difficulty while you are doing or you are not getting the points, you can put IDK so that I can help you. Divyesh, are you there? Divyesh in the classroom? Divyesh. Yes, Divyesh, are you there? Yes, Divyesh. Divyesh. Please respond, Divyesh. Divyesh, are you there in the classroom? I think this is plus 7 by 8 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, children, this is negative sign is there, but bases are same. In multiplication, if bases are same, what we have to do, children? What we supposed to do?
Ma'am, add the exponents.
Add the exponent. But here minus sign, even though if minus sign is there in this rational number, but exponent you see it is what exponent? Even or odd.
Ma'am, even, so it will become positive
So
only.
that can we write it as 7 by 3 minus into 7 by 8 whole to the power 4 divide with
Yes, ma'am, it will remain
divide
7
with
by 8 only.
yes divide with 4 by 7 whole power minus 6. First, I just make my basis part as same. So if bases are same, you can add up your powers. So since
Hello.
yes. Hello, sir. Divyesh, are you there? Divyesh, are you there?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Divyesh. Yesterday I didn't hear your voice, so that I want to speak with you.
Yeah.
Yesterday, the
Actually,
students I interacted, but yesterday, unfortunately, I didn't see your name. A little later, I just saw the name. I didn't call you. Please, Divyesh, which law of exponent we are using here? Can you please say that if bases are same, suppose if bases are same in multiplication, what we can do here? If bases are same in multiplication, whether we can add our powers?
yes, we can add m plus n.
M plus n, very good. Or
A to
whatever
the power n plus n.
yeah, in this case, what you will get, Divyesh, here just let me write a 7 by 8. This is a rational number. 7 by
Ma'am,
8
you
is
will get 1.
yes, minus 3 plus 4, it becomes very good. It's a 1. So this is
Yeah.
negative exponent. Negative exponent, how we supposed to write a by b?
Ma'am, it becomes a reciprocal.
Very
So
good.
after it becomes 7 by 9, you have to multiply it by 6.
b by
No,
whole
to the
power.
power 6. To the power 6.
Exactly.
Sorry, I messed up over there.
Okay, 7 by 4 to the power 6, right.
Mhm.
Right.
Mhm.
Next step, can you please continue that? Next continuation, please. Can you continue that? 7 by 8, 7 upon 8. Here power is 1, so that you can. This become multiplication means what we should do this part?
4 by 7.
Exactly. 4 by 7, reciprocal of 4 by 7 whole to the power 6. Now you have to check, children. You have to see here.
Ma'am, we can write as 4 into 4 to the power 5, and then we can cancel 4 and 8.
Exactly. 7 power 1. This is 8 power 1. You have to see. This is 4 power 6. This is 7 power 6. So I am taking as 7 bases one time. 7 power 1 by 7 power 6, and multiplied with 4 power 6 divided by this can be written as how we supposed to write, children? 4 into 2. 4
Ma'am, 4 into 2
yes.
whole to the power 1,
Yes,
or 4 into 2.
this is bases are same. We are dividing a power m divide with a power n. Bases are same means we can subtract the exponent, so that it's m
A
minus
power
6.
m minus n, 1
So
minus
7
6, which
power
is
1
7 to the
minus 6.
power minus 5.
Yes, 7 power 1 minus 6. Again, this part can be subtracted. 4 to the power 6 minus 1 divided by 2. Yes or no, children? Yes or no? So
Yes, ma'am.
this becomes 7 power minus 5. This becomes 4 power 5.
Into 4 to the power 5 upon 2.
2. Yes, now you
Ma'am, it is 4 to the power 5 upon 2 into 1 by 7 to the power 5.
exactly. Or else, how we supposed to take this, ma? How we supposed to take 4 to the
Ma'am,
power
4 to the
4?
power 5 upon 7 to the 4 to the power 5 upon 7 to the power 5 into
No,
2.
Saho. No, listen. I'm taking 4 power 4 and one more 4 extra to cancellation of these two. So that this becomes
Yes,
7
ma'am.
power 5 multiplied with 2. 2 can be written, it's how much? Or else we can take as wait
Ma'am,
a
2
minute.
2s are 4.
Yeah. We will directly go with base parts. Yeah, we will write as it is that part. No need of writing that 7 power 4 and simplify also. We can go with the direct step here. No need to expand and going.
Ma'am, 7. We can write 4 by 7 whole power 5 into 1 by 2.
Exactly. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Why 4 by 7? This is negative exponent can be written as 1 by 7 power 5. That comes under denominator, but powers both are same, multiplied with 1 by 2. This is the way we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
express as a rational numbers. 1 by 2 multiplied with 4 by 7 whole power. 4 by 7 whole power.
Ma'am, I wrote the answer in another form, ma'am.
Anything. Children, I'm checking everything, whether you are doing steps or all the properties you are using and doing. I'm giving correct only. Mark I didn't cut, because if MCQs means your end question, end answer, you can check and you have to write. But here we are not giving end answer. You're supposed to find out. rational number. You supposed to express as the powers of rational numbers. So I'm seeing the procedure. You are doing correct means I'm giving full marks only. I didn't cut anyway. Any doubt, children, in this bit? Please let me know so that I can help you. Put ID.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what was the answer you got, ma'am?
My answer is 4 by 7 whole to the power. Just a minute. 4 by,
Ma'am, we can even write that as 4 by 7 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 1.
yes, you can take as 2 power minus 1, or you can write exponent. Yeah, you can take as this is negative exponent. We can 2 is a rational number. We can write, or else directly also you can write 1 by 2 in front of 1 by 2 multiplied with this power exponent you can write, or else you can write as 4 by 7 whole power 5 multiplied with the 2 power minus 1. Anything, children, end product you are applying each and every law till your simplification last step.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the part. Children, any doubt here? Just a minute, I can see students are keeping some chart. So IDK Akash, which bit your IDK Akash? Akash.
Sir, ma'am, I didn't understand this bit only. Can you just re-explain it?
From where? From which step you are unable to catch the point? Can you please? This one?
Ma'am, I'm not able to catch the point from the starting only because I'm not getting how you get positive 7 upon 8.
Listen carefully.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Jashmita.
Ma'am, I think the question only you wrote wrong because it's a 7 by 8 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 by 8 to the power 4.
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
First only we are changing. Now, just a minute. That's why.
Yes, ma'am, you wrote that correctly only.
Yeah, I wrote. I changed it. That's
Correct,
fine.
ma'am, because the power is 4.
Yeah, that's why I told the
Yes,
point
ma'am.
also. I mentioned the point also. Since the
Yes, ma'am,
power
you
is
mentioned.
yeah, since the power is 4, it is even, so that this become positive. So I'm writing as 7 by 8 whole power 4. Directly I mentioned the point. Okay, anyway, the child is also having doubt. Listen, children, listen carefully. Listen carefully, because we are not going once again this chapter. This is question bank. Why we are discussing means question paper always clarify your doubts. Still you have doubt means we need to go for once again. See, this is negative, but here base 7 by 8, here base 7 by 8. But sign is a negative rational number. But even though if it is negative rational number, since power is even power, even power, or even
Ma'am,
exponent.
but exponent is negative, na ma'am.
No,
Then base will differ.
no.
8
Listen,
by 7.
listen. This is minus 7 by 3. Since the exponent is even, 4 is, since 4 equal to even number. So if you expand minus 7 by 8 whole to the power 4
Ma'am,
also,
in
you will
first,
get positive
no,
7 power 4.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pallav.
Ma'am, in first rational number, but exponent is negative, na ma'am.
Okay,
Then we will.
no. I didn't use that logic. Just listen, Pallav, listen. I'm making your sum more simple. I'm not going to take that much complexity if I'm going to. Once again, I converted as 8 by 7 whole power cube means again bases will vary. So that here I need to make my base part same. So that if bases are same in multiplication, we can add up powers. That is the concept. Used on that concept I'm going. So see, this can be written as 7 by 8 whole power. For Akash, till here you got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Akash. Akash. Akash.
Yes,
Still any doubt here? This point, it's clear for you? This step.
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
So now you check. Base are same. Bases are bases are same. What you should do? Add power, add
Yes,
exponents,
ma'am.
add powers or exponents, any word you can use, exponents. So you can add up the exponent part here. So here what you suppose base is same. Here 7 by 8 is my base. Exponents are minus 3. I can add the exponents minus 3 plus 4. This is as usual division I'm taking. Since Pallav you're using a power minus n technique, I'm using this law here.
Okay, ma'am.
Since from this law I'm writing as a power n, or another law is a by b whole power minus n can be written as a by b whole power minus n can be written as, how we supposed
B
to
by
write?
A whole power n.
B by a whole power n.
Yes, since from this law I can write as b by a whole power n. So this can be written as now this part can be written as 7 by 4 whole power 6. Next, coming to the next step, children, step by step, each and everything we are varying. Please,
Ma'am?
yes.
Ma'am, if we in starting only if we do 7 by 8 to whole power minus 3, can we do it as 8 by 7 whole power 3?
Yes, you can change. You will get the same answer only. No need to worry. Here,
Understood.
minus 3 plus 1, how much, children? Minus 3 plus 4 is nothing but? Minus 3 plus 4 is nothing but?
Minus.
1.
Ma'am, minus 1.
No, who is said minus 1?
Ma'am, 1, not
One,
minus.
positive one.
1.
1.
So this become division. Division becomes multiplication, means reciprocal of 7 by 4. Reciprocal of 7 by 4.
4 by 7.
4 by 7. So this can be written as 4 by 7 whole power 6. No, no, this is the once you are
7
getting this,
by 1 upon 7 to the power 6 and 4 to the
yeah,
power 6 upon 4 into 2.
yeah. Once you are getting this step, very simple logic you can see. Numerator and denominator we can take as a 7 by 4, 7 by 4. So that 7 power 1, this 4 power 1, 4, 8 can be written as 8 can be written as 4 into 2. That's nothing but 4 power 1 into 2 power 1. Yes, 4 power 1 multiplied with 2 power 1. The same way this can be written as, which since law of a by b whole power m. Yes, I want answer from, yes, Harsha, are you there in the classroom? Harsha. Harsha, if you are there in the classroom, please respond, my dear.
Ma'am?
Harsha.
Ma'am, Satvik, ma'am.
Yes, Satvik.
Hello?
Yes, Harsha. A by b whole
Hello?
power m can be written as,
Yes, sir. Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes. A power,
A raised to m by b raised to m.
very good. So that can we take here 4 power 4 upon 4 raised to 6 and 7 raised to 6? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that next step immediately what we supposed to do, I'm taking 7 bases all together, 7 bases together one place and 4 bases together another place, 4 power 6 and 4 power 1, and the rest over is 1 by 2. You have the same thing as it is. Now this which law of exponent we can
Yes,
use?
ma'am.
A upon B, A means
Which law of exponent we can use here?
A to the power
A
n
power
upon A
m
to the power m is equals to A to the power n minus m.
Yes, we are subtracting. In division, bases are same. In division, you are subtracting your powers. So this become 4 power 6 minus 1, and as usual, this 1 by 2 power 1 can be written as 2 power minus 1. Same way, we can take as 7 power
7 to
minus
the
5,
power minus
6
5,
power 5,
4 to the power 5
2
into
power
2 to the
minus.
power minus 1.
Since this is negative exponent, we can take it as a denominator portion, or else you can leave like that also. If you want to simplify as a rational number, you can take this as 6 by 7 whole power 5. Why? Because this can be written as 7 power minus 5. 7 raised to minus 5 can be written as 7 power positive 5. So it becomes denominator, but both exponents are same. We can use a power m divided by a power n can be written as a by b whole power m. Since this law, you can write this as usual and you can take it as 2 power minus 1. This is the way we can simplify. Akash, still any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I understood.
Ma'am?
Yes, Pallav.
Ma'am, I'm Satvik, ma'am. In this top, ma'am, 7 by 8 into 4 by 7 is 0, ma'am. Can we convert 7 by 8 into means 7 by 2 power 3?
Exactly, you can because 7 by 2, 7 by 3, 7 by 4 all are rational numbers. They didn't mention any prime numbers. They said
How to
only
score on
they said only express as powers of rational numbers, so that only they are saying only evaluation. You can simplify, that's all. No need, you can write as you can write that part also. Instead of 4 you can reduce as a 4 in two terms also.
Ma'am, that is another way.
Yeah, yes, good.
I did and I got the answer.
Ma'am, that we can do like 2 to the power 2 to the power 6 also.
Exactly. That's why I'm telling.
for this? I got the wrong.
Answer is same. If you multiply, answer will be the same. Answer will be the
Ma'am,
same.
actually, I got the answer as 2 upon 9 into 7 to the power of 7.
Ma'am,
7 power 7 means you are absolutely wrong, Akash. If 2 upon
ma'am, I got 2 power 9 by 7 power 5, ma'am.
that is correct. That is absolutely correct.
Ma'am, I did
Ma'am, I got 8 power 3 by 7 power 5.
8 power 2. 8 power 2 you
8
got?
power 3. 8 power 3.
Okay, 8 power 3. 8 power 3 means you can expand this 6 to the 6 raised to 5 is equal to 64 or not. We can check also. We can check like that. We can expand and find the value also, children. We can expand and find that so that it is very easy for you. Let me discuss one more bit so that you can comfort with that concept.
Ma'am, I,
Minus 7 upon 10.
Yeah.
ma'am, I simplified 2 power 9 by 7 power 5. So I got the answer as 512 by 16807, ma'am.
Yes, that means you are evaluating. Very good. Evaluating the answer. Good. You are expanding. Good. Next one you see, the second one you see, we will go that. Yes, you can expand and write only, children. Here the question is given, you have to evaluate the answer.
Yes, ma'am, it's not simplified, so we
Yes,
need to find the value.
yes, exactly correct, Satvik. You need to evaluate here. You need to find the. See here, power raised to power. Power raised to power means what you suppose to do?
Multiply
Multiplication
the
of
exponent.
powers.
Exactly. That points when you are seeing the question only, you're supposed to identify which law of exponent we are using. You have to carefully you observe, children. It's nothing but 2 power minus 3 into 6 power minus 1. By seeing it seems we can
Ma'am,
try.
second and third term will cancel.
Yeah, just a minute, Nana. A power m whole power n. Since this is just a minute, I want answer from Navyasri. Navyasri, are you there in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. If power raised to power means what we should do?
Ma'am, first we multiply those two power, like we take
Exactly. That means a power mn. So this is what is here 3 multiplied with minus 3. 3 multiplied with minus 3. What is the value of 3 multiplied with minus 3?
3 multiplied with minus 3 is minus 9, ma'am.
Yeah, so it's minus 9. So that here can we write it as a 2 by 3 whole power minus 9? Yes or no?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can simplify it by 3 by 2 power 9.
Exactly. This can be written as 1 by 2 whole cube whole to the power minus 3. This can be written as 2 power minus 3. Now all are negative exponents. Since all are negative exponents can be written as 1 by a power 1 by a power n. Come on, children, please.
Ma'am, it will be 3 by 2 whole to the power 9 into 2 to the power means 2 cube, and again it will be 1 by 2 cube and 1 by 6.
Yes, just a minute, Saho. This can be written as 2 cube.
Ma'am, can we take 1
1
by
by
6
2
as
cube.
ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can we take
Ma'am,
1 by
I have one doubt, ma'am.
Well,
Ma'am, when we multiply like this, can we divide the numbers, ma'am?
yes, you can simplify. You can reduce because
Ma'am,
Yes.
2 cube and
just a
2
minute.
cube will get cancelled.
Just a minute, Sahu, just a minute. Very good question. Actually, you are asking Siddharth. Siddharth, when you are doing division, if any simplification will go means you can reduce that so that your calculation part become more simple. You see here, this I am writing the first part. I am writing a by b whole power m can be written as a power m divided by b power m. Why I'm expanding once again means 3 power 9 can be 2 power 9. You just observe what I'm doing, so that little later you will understand. Multiplied with 1 by 2 cube here, 1 by 2 cube here. This is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 I'm writing as 2 into 3 children. Now here 2 cube, this 2 cube get cancelled. Yes? Here 1,
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
here 1 power, 3 power 1 means here 1. Here 2 power nothing is there means 1. So that we
Hello,
can,
ma'am. Actually,
you just see.
Ma'am, I got answer as 3 power 8 by 2 power 10, ma'am.
Yes, exactly correct. So this
Yes, ma'am.
can,
Me too.
yeah, this can be written as, you just a minute, see the last end step, how we supposed to conclude, you have to see. This is power 2 power 9, 2 power 1. 2 power 9 multiplied with 2 power 1, if bases are same, we can sum up the exponents. So it becomes 2 power 10. So it becomes denominator 2 power 10. But here, this can be written as again a by b. A by a power m divided by a power n can be written as, you have to subtract the exponents. It becomes 3 power 9 minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 power
yes, ma'am.
10. Yes. Last step within last. You can take this as 3 power 9 minus 1 means 3 power 8 by 2 power 10. This can be written as 3 by 2 whole power 8 multiplied with 2 square. Any doubt in the last step? If anyone have doubt here, please let me know.
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
No,
Yeah,
ma'am. No
so that
doubt.
I can help you. Yes,
Ma'am,
what's your doubt?
Ma'am, ma'am, like, how did we cancel 10 and how did we write it as 2, ma'am?
See, this is power 2. This power is applicable for this exponent is applicable for 2, denominator 2 also. This is a rational number 3 by 2. The 8 exponent 8 can be applicable for both numerator and denominator. So it becomes
Yes.
2 power 8. 2 power 8 in denominator, and but we have 2 power 10 here. 2 power 10. If what
10.
number I supposed to make as exponent so that it become 10? If I make a 2 square only, these two together, you will get as 1 by 2 power 10. Yes or no, Saho? Yes or no, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why you have to see 8 minus 2. 8 minus, sorry, 10. If you want to get 10, 8 plus 2, you can express as 8 plus 2. If you want a 7, you can take as 7 minus. You see your question. According to the question, you are simplifying the part. Or this can be written as, at the end, this can be written as, not only this, we can go with the 2 power minus 2 multiplied with the 3 by 2 whole power 8. Anything you can, but that is a, evaluate means you're supposed to find the value, children. You have to find the value. How you're supposed
Okay.
to find the value? Here only this I mentioned as exponential form. How you will find the value of 3 by 8 to whole power 8? How you will find the value, children?
Ma'am, 3 into 3 into 3 into that 3 8 times, ma'am, we have to multiply. And
Exactly.
2 10 times.
If I want to multiply 3 8 times, how difficult it is? So that what we should do? What we should
Ma'am,
do?
81 into
3 4
81.
times and 3 4 times we can
81
take
into
the square of
81.
that.
Exactly. Someone said 81 into 81. 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. This both becomes 3 power 4. It become 81. 3 threes are 9, 3. Same way,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
81
good
square we
evening.
can take.
sir. Hello, sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaste, ma'am. I think for other class you have 6:30, no?
Oh, it's already 6:40, right, sir? Right. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'm posting a message from class will be from 7:15. Is it
Sure.
okay?
Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much. I forget about the point only.
okay.
Sorry, sir. It's okay. Thank you so much.
ma'am,
Yes, children.
Ma'am, in this I did only one mistake, ma'am. Because of that, I got the whole answer wrong, ma'am.
That's why, that is the power of exponent. That is,
Ma'am, even I did that. Ma'am, I just I have didn't cut the 2 cube. In if will not cut, then also with the answer will be
yeah,
same. But the
even
problem was I didn't put the 1 at the fractional form. That's why I got wrong.
even I checked only good student, not like that. I checked many papers. Good students only doing the same mistake. They
Ma'am,
everything they are doing exactly
Good
correct.
students like
Yes, ma.
ma'am, for 1/6, I wrote. I was going to write 3 into 2, ma'am, but I wrote 3 power 2, ma'am.
Okay, but these what you are doing mistakes, these complete mistakes you have to, when you are going to your examination, complete annual examination or competitive examination, you have to avoid, children. You are the students, you have right to correct yourself. Doing mistakes is your right, and the correction is also more and more important. Doing mistake is, as a child you can do many mistakes.
Ma'am, when is annual exam?
What, ma?
When is term 1 exam, ma'am?
Term one, obviously you have August or September first week, right?
ma'am, term 1, ma'am, what are the examination? I didn't understood. Actually, I don't know the details about the examinations.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly, you have two terms as we have in our.
The tuition.
Ma'am, in our school there is first in the end or in the end of the September or in the starting of October.
Maybe that schedule will come, children. Don't worry about that part. Learning
Ma'am,
is our learning is our right, children. We should learn everything. Be ready. Whenever they are keeping examination, you can write. That's all. Don't worry about that part. This is the other way. And third question, more simple. Only second bit, little complexity is there in your examination, and the rest all are bits we can go with very fast. Children. No need to worry. This is
Ma'am, I got only one mistake.
yeah. Second bit only most of the student they did mistake in evaluation in simplifying. 3/4 whole to the power minus 3, 3/4 whole to the power minus 3 plus 3/5 whole to the power minus 2. Now my questions, don't open your mouth, children. I have to call the student now. Just a minute, I need to see the students. Uh, yes. Here the student, I call the attention of the student, Shreyashi. Yes, I can see you. Please, Shreyashi, respond, Shreyashi. In first part, which law of exponent I should use, or if I do directly, anything I can happen, or if I by seeing it, since what you can observe from this bit, can we go with the reciprocal exponent minus exponent rule? Yes. Exactly. Yeah, what is the rule we suppose? Yes, negative exponential. Okay. Yes. Good. So very good. Zoya, please. Can you please help this to solve 3/4 negative exponent 3? As she said,
4/3 whole raised to 3
yeah, very good. It's a 3. Good. Next one.
plus 5/3 whole raised to 2.
Yeah, by seeing this, anything you are getting, my dear? By seeing this, anything, the denominators are same, yes or no? It's like a
Yes.
fraction.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
It's
so we
like
can directly.
exactly. It's like a fraction. It's a like fraction, not a like fraction. If you want to make it a like, what we supposed to do?
Ma'am, that means 64 plus 25. That is 139 upon 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. 139
Ma'am,
upon
139 upon
3.
27.
139 upon 27, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, because
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
according to the law, hold to the number with.
Listen, children. Listen. First, listen. See, I'm writing here. It's 4 cube. It's 3 cube. So that here 5 square and 3 square. So, but denominators are not same here. This is 9. This becomes, sorry. This is 9. This becomes 27. To make both are same. What I should do here? I should multiply the second one with 3. Yes, so that I can make as like. Yes or no, children? Yes or no?
But I did it.
Yes, ma'am.
So that becomes what happened? 4 cube plus 4 cube, that becomes 4 cube plus 3 cube, and this is 5 cube, 5 square and multiplied with the 3, this become 3 cube. Now you can very simply you can add up this as 3 cube, and 4 cube can be written as
27. Ma'am, 64 plus 75 by 27. Ma'am.
exactly 64.
Ma'am, 2 to the power 6. Right.
Sahu, I didn't get your point, Sahu. 25 into 3, 25 3s are 75. So that a
Ma'am, we
64.
can write that 4 cube as 2 to the power 6 that I said.
Voice is breaking.
What he's telling, ma?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. His voice was breaking.
Yeah, 16. It's 12. 12 plus 13. 139 by
139, ma'am.
Is it we can do like that? Can we go with
Ma'am, actually, I've used a different method. Like I have just find the 3 cube and 3
if you
square,
use
and
any method, children, if you use any method, we are getting the same answer, children. That's true. Yes, whatever the method you can use.
Someone is telling someone didn't understand.
What, ma? Where you are not getting point?
Someone is... No, ma'am, not me, ma'am. Someone is telling in the chat.
Okay. Let me check. So that IDK.
and actually that was me, Akash. I was saying that I didn't did like this, ma'am. I did in the some other way, but the answer is same.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, you can use many ways, but
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to see the shortest one. You have to apply your fractional part here, make as a like. To make as a like, what changes you have to do for your second part, you have to see. Once you are getting means, you can identify very easily, children. This is one way, or if you do your own convenient way, that is also very. Yes.
Ma'am, I did LCM, ma'am, without multiplying by 3, I did LCM and I got 27, and and I did like that, I got the same answer.
Yeah, which one takes less time, you can take that part, children. That is helpful in the competitive examination. 4 by 3 whole to the power minus 2. 4 by 3 whole to the power minus. You are learning for your Vedic math classes also, right? Yes,
Ma'am, in here I gave the answer as 4 by 3. 4 by 3 whole to the power 6, ma'am.
Yes, minus 2 multiplied with minus 3. It becomes, what happened, children? It becomes whole power 6.
And or else if we want to expand it, we can also do 2 to the power of 2 whole to the 6.
3 power 6, or else you can, what you supposed, you have to simplify here. You have to.
Ma'am, we can write 4 as 2 square.
Yeah, that's okay. Here 2 power 4, no, 4 4s are 16. 16 16s are
64 multiplied by 64.
256.
Ma'am, 4096, 4996.
No, no,
4096.
4096 divided by
729.
Ma'am, I gave answer as 4 by 3 power 6, ma'am, whole power 6.
Ma'am, 729 is the answer. 729. Ma'am, I have calculated now.
4096 by 729.
Yes. Right, Nama. Who got this is correct. You can
Ma'am, I got.
4 power 6 means.
Ma'am, I got.
Yeah, correct. That's all.
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, I gave answer as 4 power 6 by 3 power 6, ma'am.
Some students, they are writing answer as 729 by 4096. How many of you wrote like that? Can you please tell me?
Ma'am,
Actually, this was a simplified question, so I kept the answer in exponents form.
Okay.
Me too, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question one more time?
Which one, no?
Ma'am, you said something, ma'am, that who kept like this.
The answer part quite opposite, because they're multiplying when they're taking exponents, they're keeping negative sign. Instead of multiplying -2 with -3, they're keeping -6. They didn't take as +6. Actually, -6 is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. So -2 multiplied with -3, it's become +6. It's not -6. Okay. Next one. Third one, you see, children. -3 by 2 whole power minus 3 divide with minus 5 minus 4. In this case, children, any time if you are getting like that, you see, Rohit, are you there in the classroom? Rishit, are you there in the classroom? Rishit, are you there in the classroom?
No, ma'am, he's not there.
Okay. Akash,
Ma'am, I am there.
Akash,
Yes, ma'am.
by seeing it, since can we make a minus 5 by minus 5 and minus 4 as a
Ma'am, it can become positive 5 upon 4.
rational number?
Ma'am, positive 5 upon 4, as we can cut minus and minus.
Yes, by
Ma'am, another way is also there, ma'am.
Yes, we have rule. If both are signs are same signs, it's a positive
Yes, ma'am.
number.
Rational number.
Yeah, since this is another law of exponent, a power minus n can be written as b. A by b whole power minus n can be written as b by a whole power positive
To the power 3 and then divided by 4 upon 5 divided by 2.
Yes, 4 upon 5 divided by exponent 2. Yes.
2.
This becomes,
So, ma'am, that means minus 8 upon 27
divide with or multiplied with.
If we simplify them, so yes, ma'am, multiply 5 upon 4 whole 5 square upon 4 square.
Any simplification part is there, you see?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Students.
Ma'am, we can make 4 square as
Akashdeep, please do not utter every word how ma'am is supposed to do. If she has written the question, please solve and reply to ma'am privately. She will see your chat box. No need to tell every sentences. You people are fast, you can solve the questions and reply. Those who are unable to do may reply IDK. Otherwise, by this method, other students will get disturbed. Ma'am had written one question, you please solve. And if you are making mistakes, see her steps, how she is solving. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Children, actually, we supposed to not interrupt others to children. That is most important thing. When any issue, whatever the thing, really you have a difficult to face such a problem, you can put IDK so that I can repeat once again. We should not make others to trouble. Everyone should enjoy the class, children. It should be fruitful. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one, you see, children, here. What is the step we are taking? Yeah. This is in terms of 2 cubes, but it is in terms of 4 power. Can we take as 4 can be written as 2 square? Yes or no? So that what it happens? 2 cube multiplied with 5 square, it is numerator, and denominator can be written as minus 3 cube multiplied with this can be written as 2 square whole square. 2 square whole square can be written as 2 square whole square can be written as 2 power 4. 2 power 4. So that this part is bases are same. In division we can subtract. So that it becomes 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 multiplied with 5 square. This becomes a minus 3. Minus 3 whole to the power if exponent, if you are going up, it's a negative exponent, or else you can if they are asking only simplify, you can express in terms of exponents. If they will ask evaluate, means you're supposed to find the complete value. These are the 2 steps you're supposed to remember in a mind, children. Or else if you have really writing this part as difficult, you can take as 5 square by 2 multiplied with 3 minus 3 cube also. Yes, this is also correct. Yes, I can see the student.
Ma'am, I did it as 5 square upon minus 2 into 3 to the power means 3 cube.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I gave the answer as minus 25 by 54, ma'am.
Minus 25 by, yes, correct only. Yes,
Ma'am, I gave the answer as 25 by minus 54.
No, it's minus 25 by 5 square.
Ma'am, I give the answer as 5 square upon minus 2 into 3 cube.
3 cube
I
back
gave the
is
minus sign
27.
to 2 instead of
27
3.
two
Is that
times it
correct?
is 27 twos are it is
54.
yes. It's that's all we can write, expand the value and you can write as a rational number. Yes, this is another way. And last one, not last one, there is one more, two questions.
More 3 are there, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll complete that part. So this is the major. Rest are very simple questions only. You can only first 3 bits and the last scientific notation we supposed to discuss. That's all. Coming to the fourth one, the same thing. Coming to the fourth one, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 3 divided with 1 upon 9 whole power raised to minus 2. This is very simple. This is very simple. As I'm taking this one as a 3 cube, this is negative. Since it is negative exponent, we can write reciprocal as a 9 by
9 square.
9. 9 square. Directly you can write as 9 square. It's a y denominator 1 square is nothing but 1 only, so that we can write like that. This can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 into 1 by. So you can take it as negative since it is since 3 is odd number. So negative sign you will get. It's nothing but 3 cube. This can be again multiplication. If you take reciprocal of this number, we can write it's nothing but 1 by 9 square. Total together we can make it as numerator as yes 9 square can be written as 3 in 3 square whole square. 3 square whole square means 3 power 4. So this can be written as 3 power 3 into 3 power 4. Since both are we can take as 3 power 7. This
Ma'am,
is
is
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
The same word can be
1 by 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
ma'am, minus 3 by 1 is the answer, minus 3 by 1.
Yes, no. Minus 1 by 3 whole power 7 also. We
Excuse me,
can
ma'am.
do it. Why? Because listen, children. Why? Because this exponent, whatever the exponent is 7. So just a minute. There are the students are raising their hand so that I can. Who having doubt now? Just a minute. Who is that fellow are raising hand? Pallav.
Ma'am, you said we can write as minus 1 by 3 whole power 7. Now, ma'am, can we write like this minus 1 by 3 power 7?
Yes, minus 1 by 3 power 7 is also same. Minus both the values are same. Yes, correct only. Very good question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Akash.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't simplify those. Just I have written the answer like minus 1 upon 27, and then we'll get the answer as minus 1 upon 2187,
Ma'am,
which
I
is
wrote
equal
the
to
answer as
minus 1 upon 3 to the power of 7.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote the answer as minus 3 whole to the power minus 7. Is it okay?
Yes, minus 3 whole power
Minus 7, ma'am.
Right.
Is it okay?
That's also correct. Because you are applying negative exponent. Right, Sahu. Satvik, what's your doubt now, Satvik?
Ma'am, in this I did not convert division into into multiplication, ma'am.
Okay.
Like that only I did, ma'am. I got minus 1 by 27 divided by 81 by 1, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I divided 81 by 27, ma'am. I got minus 3 by 1, ma'am.
3 upon?
Minus 3 by 1. Means minus 3.
Minus 3 upon 1. Well, no, it's actually wrong, I think so. No, Satvik.
Yes, ma'am, it's wrong. When you
Sat-
write it with the sticky method. Satvik did.
Satvik, it's wrong, Satvik. Please check once again. It's wrong. Check once. Next, Navyasri, I want to call Navyasri attention here. Yes, Navyasri, are you there in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please respond, Navyasri.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am is free. Just a minute, let me write the question on the screen so that 2 upon 3, sorry, it's 2 upon minus 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5, whole power minus 2, raised to. Power raised to power small. Power raised to power means what operation you're supposed to do?
Ma'am,
Multiplication of
multiplication,
power.
ma'am.
Yes. Can you please, how it should be, please, can you please help me here? What is the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
step? How I supposed to write here?
Ma'am, you're supposed to write 2 by 5 whole power minus 4, ma'am.
Good. Next. Good. Next.
Then
Wait a
we
minute.
have to write 5 by 1 whole power minus 2. It's just 2. Then we have to write the rest of it as this, ma'am.
Shall I take this as 1 by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 4 by 5, so that we can write as 4 by 5 square also. Yes. Next, yeah, mute yourself, please. Just mute yourself, please. I want attention of Sri Hita. Sri Hita, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Sri Hita. Here, the very first step, very first one, what I'm underlining. How we supposed to write this? Quickly answer, ma. Don't waste more time.
Ma'am, 5 by 2 whole power 4.
Very good. Which law you are using there? That's you need to mention. That's all.
Ma'am, a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n.
Okay. Then yes, very good. Good. Next question is Abhinav today. Okay. Abhinav, not Abhinav. Ayush, are you there in the classroom? Ayush Mishra, are you there in the
Yes, ma'am.
classroom? Please respond. Yeah. I want, so this denominator 5 is repeated 2 times. So 5 multiplied with 5, how I supposed to write?
Ma'am, 25.
Ma'am, 5 square.
In exponential form I want.
Ma'am, 5 square.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
5.
5 square.
In exponential form I want
Ma'am,
answer
5
from
square.
5 square. Very good. Now, Aditya, please respond. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is 4 raised to 5 square. Now,
Yes.
the first two, whatever the underlined part, you're supposed to see any common things happening in the numerator.
Ma'am, the
Common numbers you are seeing. Any
ma'am,
common?
2.
Yes, 5 power 4 is common and 5
Yes,
square is common
and
in numerator. And in
yes, ma'am.
denominator, 1 square we can leave. 1 multiplied how many times? You are getting 1 only, so I'm leaving that 1 square. So here 2 raised to 4. Divide, we can make as a multiplication, and what it becomes?
Ma'am, it will come 5 by
5
5
raised to 5 raised
4,
to
ma'am.
2. Very good. Good. Now can I write 4 in terms of exponents as what?
2 square.
Yes, 2 square. Come on, children, this numerator you see. Numerator part you see 5 power 4, 5 square, again 5 square. All bases are same. What I should do? All again.
Ma'am, you should add this all right.
Aditya, can I add these all powers?
Yes,
all
ma'am.
exponents. Yes. What is the value?
8, ma'am, 5 power 8.
Very good. 5 power 8. Denominator, it's 2 power 4 and 2 square is there. So how I supposed to write? Yes, wait a minute, not Aditya. The question goes to Divyesh. Yes, Divyesh, are you there, Divyesh?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, please, Divyesh, please respond and give this part. This denominator Which law of exponent we are using in the denominator portion to simplify denominator here? Which law of
Yes.
exponent we are using?
Ma'am, the powers are gonna add.
Very good. Powers we are taking and a bases are same. We can add up powers. Very good. So that what it becomes, Divyesh?
Ma'am, it's gonna be 2 to the power 6.
6. Is it any common way we can express an exponential form here? Is it any common way to express an exponential form here? Shall I take as 5 by 2 whole power 6? Yes. Sorry. Yes, yes. Shall I do?
No.
Yes or no?
Oh, this, ma'am, I'm not.
Is
sure.
is this way is possible or not? Please help me.
No.
Why?
Ma'am, because 5 by 2.
Yeah.
When.
Yeah, you can expand. You can expand this 5 by 2 whole power 6, Divyesh. Please expand what it becomes 5 power 6 divided by 2 power 6 into 5 square I'm writing. If you combine these two becomes once again what happens? What happens?
5 to the power 8.
Is it the same, right? What is your previous step, right?
Yes.
Can we express like that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Please? Okay. Yes or no? Can we express
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Right.
Ma'am, which question is this, ma'am?
This is, I think so, the second one, third one, fifth one. Huh?
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, will the final answer be 50?
50, Zoya?
Yes, ma'am. After simplifying.
No, more than that you will get. It's 5 raised to 8 means more than that you will get, right? 5 square 25. Like that, 25 you are multiplying how many times? 4 times to get as
625 into 625.
Yeah, 625.
Ma'am, can you show the
big number you will get, Mama. But they're asking the question is simplify. That's all. No need to evaluation of complete value. You can simplify and write. Express as a powers of rational numbers is not given. Sometimes they will mention particularly. You can evaluate or you can express as powers of rational numbers, or you have to simplify. There are different ways of questioning. You need to simplify it here. We are simplifying the still at the end. No need to. Any other way is there to simplify here? No. This is the simplest, I think so. You can find out 5 power 8 and 2 power 6 value, and you can evaluate those values and you can write. That is the yeah. It's all. And one more bit. This is the last bit for today's class, student.
Ma'am, can you show the question of this
Yeah. Please. Last bit we will discuss.
Ma'am, for this,
after discussing, just listen. After discussing last bit, there are basic points I suppose to recall once again because many students are new to the class. We will recall all basic points once again. Then we can end up this session.
Yes, ma'am. For this question, I got answer as 15625, ma'am.
156. Denominator? No denominator?
Yes, ma'am. No denominator.
Okay.
Actually, it was 62500 by 4, ma'am. I did the simplest form. I got this, ma'am.
But it is not reduced. But it is not reduced, I think. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and I got the answer as 5 upon 6.
That is correct only. 15625 divided by 4 you will get. That is the correct answer. If you expand that one, 15625 divided. Someone said just before 15625 divided by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct. Correct. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, actually I got the answer as 5 to the power of 6 upon 2 to the power of 2.
Yes, correct. That's also correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You can expand it. That's all. Here, but there is no sign also, negative sign. You can directly write 156 by 4. So this become minus 7 by 13 whole power 4 multiplied with minus 7 by 13 whole square minus 7 by 13 whole square. By seeing it, since you can observe here, ma'am, bases are same. The question only you can see, children. See the question, you have to, what you're supposed to do. You have to divide with 13 upon 7 whole square and raised power, once again raised power minus 3. By doing this part, bases are same, children. What is the base? Base is here. Base is minus 7 by 13. What are exponents? If bases are same in multiplication, we can add up exponents. So that here base is minus 7 by 13 whole to the power 4 plus 2. Since from this law, divide with this is power raised to power. Power raised to power, we can multiply the powers. So it becomes a power. Here it becomes 13 by 7 raised to minus 6. Why? Because since 2 multiplied with minus 3 becomes minus 6. So this becomes minus 7 by 13 power raised to power 6 divide with, this is since from negative exponent we can write it as a by b whole power minus n can be written as b by a whole power n. Using that law, this can be written as 7 by 13 whole power 6. Now this is division. Division of fraction means reciprocal of the number you are taking. This becomes 6. A reciprocal of this means multiplied by 7 by whole power 6. Any doubt till here, children? Any doubt? Each and every step you have to think, children, or else we won't get the answer. Each and every. Till here, any doubt? Please put the chart IDK so that I can help you. Here I'm doing only reciprocal. Since here reciprocal of 7 by 13 is 13 by 7. Y means in division of fractions we can take as multiplication, and the denominator portion you make as a reciprocal. You can do the procedure. Now you
It's one of the law of fraction.
Yeah, since this is since exponent is even, so we can take as 7 positive 7 power 6 by 13 power 6. So since exponent is even, so this becomes 13 power 6 by 7 power 6. Shall we cancel? All are same, children. Shall we cancel?
Then minus 1.
Huh? No minus. Where you will get minus?
I got 1, ma'am.
This is one more common mistakes done by the students. They are keeping minus 1. I kept wrong for the student. Because every step they are doing correctly, at the end they are keeping minus. Where you will get minus sign? You never get minus sign. Since the exponent is even number, you are always getting result as positive. You are always getting result as positive. That is the most important point you're supposed to remember. If you keep minus 1, I'm giving wrong for the students. Even though they are doing many steps correct, when a basic point they are keeping wrong, that's why I kept complete some wrong. I won't give, because in your MCQ questions, instead of 1, if you keep minus 1, what happens? They're giving any half mark or 1 mark for you. They won't give. They're completely, the system automatically choose the correct action only. See, even though since you are doing many steps correct, at the end you are choosing as negative 1. The system won't know, the system doesn't know whether minus 1 or the other student is doing each and every. If I'm checking manually, my student can do everything correct. So he's doing a lot of hard work in that. I can give a small appreciation for you. I can correct you so that next time you won't do such a mistake. But system won't give a mark for you children in the competitive examination. That's why sign is also very important. Signs are our parents. Signs we have to take care. Wherever you have to see the previous number. What is the power? Power is even or odd. If is even, Even means positive result, odd means negative result. That point you have to keep. That's all for the day, children. We will continue with the next class tomorrow. I think tomorrow also you have, right? I think tomorrow also you have math class. We'll continue the class in next tomorrow. We'll go one more class with this concept, then we will start our squares and square roots. Okay, children? You didn't get
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Bye.
right, Mama, right. The rest of the bits I will discuss tomorrow. And then we can, because other class students are waiting, so that I'm supposed to leave immediately because already the sir kept message there in the group. Okay, children, bye. See you next tomorrow. We'll discuss the other bits. That's all for the day. Thank you. Have
Okay,
a
ma'am.
great day to you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Bye, children. Bye. The recorded video I'll just immediately put in that group. You can if you have any doubts you can see today.
Ma'am, I got 3 wrong till here.
Okay, don't worry. Correct.
Ma'am, due to silly mistakes, ma'am, like I forgot to write the answer, ma'am. One of the answer was to minus 25 upon 64.
Okay.
But even I have written minus 25 upon 64, but at the last, therefore, minus 27 upon 64.
Okay, children, we'll discuss the next class because the other students are keeping continuously messages. Okay, please don't making mistakes is I said also how many mistakes, but don't repeat such a mistakes once again in your examination. That is very important. Correct yourself.
Ma'am, in our tuition, do we also